Welcome to episode 3 of OpenCart101. Last time we told you about our favorite webshop software, OpenCart. We told you why we like it, what are the benefits of using OpenCart, and so on. Today we'll guide you through the installation of OpenCart itself, like we promised.
We did a post about what you will need to prepare before you begin with the installation. You can find the link in the description, and here is the list. Let's start.
This is the installation archive you downloaded. Extract it first. Now open up your FTP client, FileZilla. You should have the details from your hosting provider. The FTP server address should be something like ftp.yoursite.com. The other two boxes are self-explanatory. Hit Quick Connect. Note that later on your details will be saved and you can connect in a single click from here, like I'm doing right now.
You are now in the root or main directory of your store. If you install OpenCart here, your store will be accessed as www.yourstore.com. You can also install OpenCart in a subdirectory. Then the web address of your store will be www.yourstore.com/store. If you want that, create a subdirectory here and name it anything, like store for example. I'll go with the main directory this time.
Now on the left pane you can see the folders on your computer. Navigate to the one where you extracted the OpenCart installation archive and you will see something like this. Open this folder. Inside there is the upload folder. You actually need to upload the contents of this folder and not the folder itself, so open it up. Now you have to select everything. This is very important because a missing file will ruin the whole installation. I'll select Upload from the context menu and Action.
Sometimes your internet connection might break, your FTP server might go offline and so on. We compiled another video of the errors you might receive and how to fix them. You can see the link here on the screen and below in the description.
Let's assume everything has gone perfectly well and OpenCart has been uploaded. We now have to install it. Step 1. Open your browser and go to your website. So when you load your website, the installation begins. You can read the terms if you like. The most important point is that it's free, and I'll agree to that.
Step 2. Now here you have a kind of report. You don't need to know what all of those are, but there's an important thing that won't let you complete the installation. Note those two files, which are marked as missing. Well, there is a little trick here. Nothing is missing actually. All you need to do is rename them. Here we can see where they are located. These are directories on your FTP server, so we need to go to the FileZilla now. The first file is in the main directory. Let's go there and rename config.this.php to config.php. For the other file, go to the admin directory and rename config.this.php to config.php again. Okay, we are done here. I'm going back to the browser and when I hit refresh, voila! The error message is gone and we can continue.
Step 3. For this next screen, you will need the database login details. The server will always be localhost, so fill that in. The user password and database you should already have from your hosting provider. This username here is for you to log into the OpenCart administration. We'll talk more about it next time. Just put in whatever you like and we'll remember, but don't leave it to admin because this makes it much easier to hack. When you're good to go, click continue, and if you filled in the correct data, you'll be taken to this screen. Now this red box here says that we should delete the install directory. I'd hate it to nag at me every time, so let's go ahead and do it. Go to FileZilla again. Find your main directory and there's the install directory. Use the delete button on your keyboard, click yes, and that's it.
Well, that's all there is to the installation of OpenCart. You can now go back to the browser and take a look at your store. Beautiful, isn't it? You've got a ready shopping cart. Well, these are not your products, but still feels nice. You've made quite a progress. Going back to that page, you can log into the OpenCart administration with the user and password you created earlier. Log in, take a look around, and stay tuned for our next video.
In the meantime, you can visit our website. The link is below. We'll be posting more tips there as well. Like this video if it helped you, leave a comment or ask a question. See you soon!